Okay, guys, this is my test subject. My 10-year-old niece, Aubrey. And she's not looking at us. Okay, there she is. Look at the camera right here. Okay. So she's off from school because of the wind problem. And I am out because I have strep throat. But we are going to do some makeup today.
Because I'm bored.
She's bored and I like to do makeup. So we are going to do her makeup. Let me go ahead and set this camera up. All right. So the first thing I'm going to use is a setting spray. I have I have a lot of products, but close your eyes. Is it cold?
Yes. What is that even used for?
So it makes your makeup last. It's a primer and it sets your makeup so it'll hold it.
Can you rub it in?
Let it dry. How's my breath smell?
Minty.
Minty. Really?
No.
I was gonna say. Alright, so once that's done, I'm gonna use a foundation brush. This is my liquid one. Okay. Alright, and for her, I am using Maybelline Dream
Foundation.
Yes. Yes. So we're just going to put a little bit on. I mean, it's a little darker than her. And that's okay, because this is just for fun. Oh boy. That's pretty dark. Can you see it on camera there?
Yeah.
How dark is it?
Really dark.
Aubrey, you're going to have a nice tan when I'm done with you.
My mom is going to be like, what happened to you?
I know. Like I said, we're just doing this for fun. So I know a lot of people like to do foundation last. I like to do it first. That's just me. But you can do it any way you want. You can do it first, you can do it last.
You could do it second to last.
Yep. We'll see, a lot of people do it last because of their eye makeup, which you'll see why. And you want to make sure you blend all the way into the hairline. So even though she's definitely going to look like she has a tan,
I look good.
it will blend.
How about we make this a talk show now? You're the host. Alright, now you gotta ask me questions while we're doing my makeup.
This is a tutorial. What are you talking about?
I don't know.
Why do you want to make this a talk show?
I don't know.
Okay, Aubrey, how old are you?
10?
10 going on how old?
Obviously 11. No, I'm just kidding, 30.
Right. Let's see. What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. How would you feel if we did blue eyeshadow?
I think that would look good with this base.
This blue?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll show the camera in a minute once I finish getting this tan on her. The only thing is I think I put too much setting spray because it's really setting. Let me just rub it here. And guys, don't be afraid to use your hand.